I don't know what it is, but it just looks longer to me. Like, is it just me? And I cut my hair, mind you, and I did a trim. Yeah, guys, my hair definitely feels longer. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Val, also known as Sunshine. And if you are returning, thank you guys so much for your loyalty, your support, your love, each and every comment that you guys leave. I truly appreciate it. I read it and I love communicating with you guys. So if you can't tell by the title, this is a relaxer update video, and I am about 3 days post relaxer. My hair is very fresh and it's flat ironed, and I ended my relaxer stretch at 11 weeks post. I just listened to my hair. My hair was like, you know what? Let's not fight with this new growth anymore, because I had quite a bit. So I just went ahead and relaxed. You guys know a couple months ago I had a quite significant haircut. Well, at least to me. I cut off a good 4, maybe 5 inches of my hair just out of curiosity, basically, just wanting something different. And yeah, here we are. So I also got a small trim, and you guys know I recently cut my hair, and it was more so for maintenance, this small trim. So my relaxer day process basically starts 1 week prior to relaxer day, and I typically do a protein treatment a week prior, and I usually use Apogee, and I also use the PLEX Breakage Defense. So that really helped fortify, strengthen my hair, and I barely had any breakage on relaxer day, which is a plus. So I always do a protein treatment 1 week prior, and then throughout that week, so when I do my protein treatment, then when I relax, I do not manipulate my hair at all. I have a low manipulation routine, so I just leave my hair in a low loose bun. I don't disturb my new growth. I just let my hair be, and then relaxer day comes. As you guys already know, I use ORS Olive Oil Relaxer. I use the normal strength. This is a lye relaxer, not a no lye. So this is basically what I've been using since 2009. So it's been a good 10 years since ORS. This relaxer has been in my regimen, and it hasn't done me any wrong. This is for fine medium hair, so it's very mild and it's not too powerful on my hair, although I am quite coarse, but it relaxes it perfectly and I have no issues with it. So as always, my baby. So here are the tools that I use. I keep it very simple. So I have a rat tail comb, like a fine tooth comb. So my sister uses this in the back of my hair to apply and comb through my new growth. And then here is the brush. So I use this tool in the front of my hair only, and this is basically a cross between a brush and a spatula. I scoop up the relaxer quite easily with it, and then I just apply it to my new growth, and it also helps to smooth as well, so I don't really have to use my fingers. But awesome tool. It's been in my regimen for a couple years now, more than a couple years actually. Maybe I want to say 5-6 years or so, maybe 7 years, I'm not sure, but it's been around for a while. So the first thing I do prior to relaxing on relaxer day is I use my porosity control, which is this product right here. You can get this at Sally Beauty Supply Store. This stuff is amazing. So it's a corrector and conditioner and has a low pH. So I coat my hair with this all over, not on my roots though, just on like my previously relaxed hair all the way down to my ends. It's really good for high porosity hair, or even just on relaxer day. Any chemical service that you're basically doing, this product is great because it creates a protective barrier over your hair and has a low pH. And I want to say it's 4.5, so that will close any cuticles. And it's amazing. It really makes your hair strong. It really smooths out your ends. And it creates that protective barrier that you need on relaxer day, and I'll explain a little bit more why. So I coat my hair with this, and I do it in sections obviously, and then I will seal my hair with Dax. And you guys know this is an old school product. This stuff is heavy duty hair grease, and nothing is penetrating through this. This is a linoleum petrolatum mineral oil based hair grease, and this also provides an extra protective barrier over my hair as well. So these products together will basically prevent any kind of relaxer runoff. And what relaxer runoff is basically when you're rinsing out your relaxer and your relaxer is running off of your hair from your new growth onto your hair, there could be a slight chance of it actually re-relaxing your ends, and that could lead to thinness. It could lead to over-processed hair, which could lead to breakage and dryness, obviously. So in order to prevent relaxer runoff, I always coat my previously relaxed hair, which is from my new growth down, and these products have really saved my hair. It really keeps the texture in my hair. My hair is not thin, it's not over-processed. My ends are great, and it just overall just provides that reassurance that my hair is protected. So I always use these two in unison, and they've been amazing. So I just want to share that with you guys real quickly. So once I'm done applying these all over my hair, basically in sections, I will then part my hair in the middle, and then maybe from about this point where I can actually see where to apply the relaxer, I'll part it across. So I take care of the front half of my hair when I relax, and my sister takes care of the back. I relax at home. As you guys know, I don't go to stylists to relax my hair anymore. They just rip through my hair. They don't take care of my hair at all. So why fight? I just do everything at home. So she takes care of the back first, and we always twist my hair. So I'll have about maybe 6 to 7 sections, 1-inch sections all down my hair, and I'll show you exactly what that looks like. So I'll have maybe 6 on one side, 6 on the other, and then she'll do her twist in the back as well. So this just helps basically speed up the whole relaxer process. Instead of us having to part through the hair, apply relaxer, part, apply, having a quick relaxer process like this allows me to have all of my hair processed the exact same way. There's no under processed areas, if that makes sense, and it's just more efficient that way. So everything is pre-sectioned off, and she starts with the back first. We always start with the coarsest area. So the rule of thumb with my sister and I is if I relax the back left, my previous relaxer, this relaxer, we're doing the back right. So we always alternate, that way not one area is always stressed. There's a balance. And then once she's fully done the back half, not fully done, but once she's gone through it once, then I start the front. So I never relax the front and the back at the same time. I always make sure the back is done first because it's the coarsest. It needs time to process, and then I start the front. So once all the relaxer has been applied to my roots, I don't really smooth it too much. More of the smoothing takes place in the back, but in the front now I always do my edges like dead last. When I have like maybe 5 minutes to spare, I'll slap on the relaxer on my edges, I'll smooth a little bit, and then leave it alone. Once the time reaches 22-23 minutes, I'm out, rinse off the relaxer completely, and then I'll move into my neutralizing step. So you guys know I always neutralize in 3 phases, and it's a good 20 minutes long, and I know it sounds really like, why is she neutralized for so long? But it's my thing. So I always neutralize in phases. I shampoo with the neutralizing shampoo, and I typically use the ORS Neutralizing Shampoo. The first phase is 5 minutes. I'll leave it on my hair like conditioner. First, I will shampoo, rinse everything out, and then I'll leave it on for 5 minutes. I'll rinse that out, leave it on for 5 again, and then the next 10 minutes, leave it on. And what I find with this process is my texture comes back, my hair feels fuller, it feels obviously like the relaxer is gone, there's no relaxer scent remaining or lingering in my hair. That process has been working for me, and I just love it. I stick to it, and my hair responds to it pretty well. So after the neutralizing phase, I always move into a bond building product just to ensure that any broken bonds in my hair are being repaired. So in the past couple of relaxers, I've used the Olaplex treatment number 3. So I use this again, but more so on my roots. I didn't really use it on the length of my hair. And then on the length of my hair, I used the PLEX Breakage Defense Bond Mender. So immediately any tangles that I had was completely erased, eliminated by this product here. And then I just left that on for about maybe 13-15 minutes. I basically had like no breakage on relaxer day, like none. Typically on relaxer day, yeah, there's a lot of manipulation going on. There's some breakage that can occur, but with these two together, my hair felt really good. It felt smooth. It just felt reinforced, and overall just really healthy. So I'm very happy about introducing these two on relaxer day, and my roots were happy and my ends were happy, and overall my hair felt strengthened. So it was a win-win. So after the Bond Mender and the Olaplex treatment number 3, I began to shampoo my hair with this sulfate-free Long and Luxe from As I Am. This is a strengthening shampoo, and it has hydrolyzed keratin in it. Don't be scared of protein, guys, especially on relaxer day. Your hair will thank you for it. This stuff is extremely detangling, extremely moisturizing. Like, I really love this stuff. The slip is crazy as well. I lathered maybe about once or twice. I don't know if you're like me, but I love using protein on relaxer day. Any phases where I can throw some protein in there, I'll do it. Obviously not as a leave-in or as a moisturizer, so that it's actually, you know, making my hair feel brittle or rough. But in any conditioning phase, shampoo phase, any way I can throw some protein in my regimen, I'll do so, especially on relaxer day. So once I finish using using the sulfate-free shampoo. I always condition or deep condition, sorry, and I typically use the ORS Olive Oil Replenishing Conditioner. You guys know I love that stuff. But this time around, I use the xoxo Moisture Recovery. This is a treatment balm. Love this stuff. So good, so thick, but amazing for relaxed hair. So this is a mixture of both moisture and protein. It's one of those conditioners. It's kind of tricky on how you can really fit it in your regimen. On relaxer day, these type of conditioners are really good in terms of giving you both moisture and protein. So this has hydrolyzed keratin twice. So awesome stuff. It really strengthens the hair. It creates amazing slip, and it smooths the heck out of your cuticles. Like, the heck out of your cuticles. I left this in, I want to say, for 20 minutes, no heat, with a plastic cap. My hair was butter. Definitely one of my go-tos. I don't use it often, but it's definitely something that I always reach for, especially when I want to flat iron my hair and I want that smooth, sleek look. So after deep conditioning with the xoxo Moisture Recovery, I rinsed it out, I air dried. I spritzed my hair with the heat protectant spray from Tresemme, the Keratin Smooth one. I love that stuff. And then I just air dried, and then I moved into the whole flat ironing process. Yeah, that's basically it. This is my relaxed hair, and I'll show you guys what it looks like air dried. Honestly, you guys, I feel like my hair has grown since my last update, since I cut my hair, and you guys have seen that video. But yeah, like it just feels like it's hanging lower, and I haven't changed anything in my regimen since for a while. Like, I'll rotate products, but everything remains the same in terms of my routine. So I'm quite happy. Overall, the results were really good. This relaxer process was a breeze, and it typically is, but just using these bond mending products together, I think, was just the icing on the cake. So yeah, guys, just wanted to share with you quickly what my relaxer day process consists of. All of this stuff is on my blog as well, all of my relaxer day steps in written details. So if you are more of a reader, be sure to check out hairliciousinc.com for more details. And yeah, guys, so we'll talk in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.